and this is it. Ooh. Guys, I have never done this before. I have eaten flapjacks and pancakes before, but this, ooh, this, I did a very good job. What's up, guys? This is your girl Mabaso. So you know what time is it? It's Katsopega, man. If you are new to this channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please, guys, don't judge me. Today I'm looking a bit rusty. But anyways, I'm just cooking. It's early in the morning. It's really early, so I'm really craving and I'm hungry. I didn't eat last night, so I'm hungry. When I didn't eat last night, I wake up early in the morning and make something to eat. So before I make something to eat, breakfast, so I just want you guys to go along with me. This is a journey. So today I'll be making a flapjack, yeah, similar to pancake, but it's not pancakes. I bought everything. So I have never done this before, but I have ate flapjacks before. I'm really nervous. But I'm not that nervous because I don't have any guests. But guys, I'm just going to do this. Okay, I know I'm going to do this, and it's going to be successful, and it's going to be delicious. I know. Spirit of motivation. So anyways, guys, if you are new to this channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And uvugile, thanks God, I am up and awake and healthy, and I'm about to eat. So yeah, guys, so let me just show you the ingredients and everything until I finish making flapjacks. I hope, but I believe I believe it will be successful, because I have never, like serious, like never. But anyways, be with me. I'm with you guys. So let's cook, let's bake, let's fry, whatever. Let's just make breakfast. So yeah, guys, this is what I bought. I bought this. Oh. Hopefully everything will turn up the way I think. It says 250 ml of milk. Got milk. It says 2 large eggs. Got 2 large eggs. Then it says 30 ml oil. I don't like, guys, oil. This is my first time buying oil. But anyways, it's what it says here. So, and you will need a measuring jug, a large whisk, mixing bowl. Do you have that? And a whisk. I do have that. Oh my God, egg lifter. What is that? Non-stick pan. I do have that. Oil or butter for glazing. Oh my God. Okay. So what is not here? What is an egg lifter? Oh my God. Oh, so when they say an egg lifter, my bad, baby. They mean this. Guys, let me terms of code these terms. I'm not a chef, I'm just a human being, South African citizen. So, anyways, stick along. Okay, guys, let's just mix together and see what happens. Do I put butter or do I put a non-stick spray? What does it say? Oh my God. Oh my God. It says oil or butter for clothes. Oh, so I think it's a similar thing. So I could do it anyways. I can do this. So, guys, stick along. Okay, guys. Here we go. So, got everything. Okay. Mix eggs, oil, and milk. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Oh my God. Okay. Let me just. I've never done this before, so bear with me, guys. Okay. Okay, just put the flapjacks mixture. Okay, and must I put eggs? Okay, oh God. Eggs, oil, and milk. Oh, okay. Now I get it. Eggs. Uh, Oil. I've got my measuring jar. It says 60 ml. 60 ml. I don't like, guys, oil. It's my first time buying oil. I don't like oil. It says 60. I've got 50. Okay, I guess this is 60. Okay. And milk. Milk is 250, which is 1 cup, which is right here. Whoo, perfect. Whoo. Okay, then I need a whisk. Yeah, everything is inside and I'm mixing everything now. Has to join to be together as a team. So guys, I'm just going to show you the next step when I have to glaze the pen, or when I start flipping my flipping my flapjacks. Guess so. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm done mixing. As you could see, it looks smooth, it looks perfect. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray. I hope I'm doing it right. Just going to spray the pin with, So yeah, yeah, let's just wait. So guys, I have this tendency of drinking something when I'm cooking or when I'm in the kitchen. So voilà, thanks to you. Wow. Got you guys. So guys, the pan, it is heating on a medium heat. So I'm just going to scoop. I'm using my gym scoop. Let's see if this is going to work the way I imagine. Voila. They said if you see bubbles, then you can turn. Oh, guys, I think it's time to flip. Oh my God. This is my first try, so I'm just going to try the second time. My second attempt. So guys, I think I need to turn, but this time I'm just to hold my pan up, then try to turn my flapjacks. I can't make the same mistake as I did before. Voila! This is it. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Yes. So guys, I keep on doing, and I'll show you how am I going to serve my flapjacks. Oh God, it's so beautiful to be me. Guys, I am done. This is how it looks. So I'm just going to serve my breakfast with syrup, and this is it. Ooh. Guys, I have never done this before. I have eaten flapjacks and pancakes before, but this, ooh, this, I did a very good job. So on top, guys, it is butter, and I've got my juice. So yeah, this is how I serve my breakfast today. This is how I serve myself today. Thank you. Please, if you are new to this channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.